Ready to unlock the power of Instagram data with your own custom-built scraper. In this video, we'll show you how to create an Instagram scraping tool using N8n, a no-code workflow automation platform for ethical data collection. First, open N8n and start with a blank canvas by creating a new workflow. This is where we'll build our Instagram scraper step by step. Now, we need a trigger to start the workflow. Let's use a Cron Node to schedule our scraper to run automatically at set intervals, like daily or weekly. Drag and drop the Cron Node to your workflow. Next, let's add an Instagram node. Search for the Instagram node and connect it to the Cron Node. You'll need to authenticate using your Instagram developer account or personal access token. Be sure to review and adhere to Instagram's API usage guidelines. In the Instagram node, select the operation you want, like get media by hashtag, get user profile, or get media by location. For this example, let's scrape posts by hashtag. Enter the hashtag you want to monitor. To limit the number of scrape posts, let's add a set node. This will store the scrape data to not duplicate posts. Then, let's add an if node to set a condition for when to stop scraping. Now, let's add a function node to refine our data. This node allows us to extract specific information from each post, such as the caption, number of likes, and comments. Finally, add a spreadsheet file node to export the scrape data to a CSV file. Configure the node to include the fields you extracted in the function node. Congratulations, you've created a simple Instagram scraper using N8n. And remember to use this tool responsibly and ethically, respecting Instagram's terms of service.